torture yourself. That's my job.
Are you going to screw up my comb too?
No, well, you could wash it. You should see the look he's giving me. Oh my goodness. Hi, Niecy. I wish it was 72 here. No snow.
What?
Yeah, we still have snow on the ground. A little bit. Are you going to come in here a little bit?
Do I have to?
Say hello. Yes, honey. Everybody's asking for you.
Well, just say it's okay. I'm okay and leave it at that.
But they have to see proof of life.
Okay, you saw it. I'm leaving.
No. Now, do you want to talk about why you're doing what you're doing tonight?
No.
What do you mean, no? Tell the people.
What the heck? You don't know what no means?
Can you move a little bit closer to the camera, or do I need to move the camera
Why?
closer to you?
I can see it perfectly fine. It's okay.
No,
That's
people
all you
can't
need.
see you good enough.
What the hell?
There. Now you're more beautiful.
Oh, you're full of crap.
He's in a good mood.
Look, Mr. Dave. Hi, Mr. Dave. No means no. No means maybe.
No means no. Not maybe.
Well, who's going to tell them then?
Well, between the two of you, you got the gift of gab. Go ahead. You're the ones that want to be the YouTube stars. I don't.
Yes, you do.
No,
Oh,
I
you
don't.
got a channel, Dave, I hear.
So, Dave. Oh, let me go get. Talk to the people.
Oh, come on. That's not my job. It is not my job. Well, just don't sit there, Sharon. Say something.
That's your job.
No, it's not my job.
Lori's the talkative one.
Lorrie is the talk, and I'm not talkative. I'm the talkative one in this house. So Dave was whining one day because Vineyard Chicks shirts come in gray, heather gray, a beautiful, beautiful heather gray. But oh no, that wasn't good enough for Dave. He's gonna beat me up. So anyway, he asked the Vineyard Chicks. He told the Vineyard. He made a deal with the Vineyard Chicks, or a challenge to the Vineyard Chicks, that if they would make him a shirt on a black shirt, he would color his beard. And we didn't do it in January, so we got the shirt. He got the custom beautiful shirt. Yeah, it's a little wrinkly right now because I was wearing it last week, and I haven't done laundry yet. But yeah,
Imagine that.
there it is. He got his beautiful shirt, so now he has to color his beard, or we
He's
have
going
to
to do
color
it right now?
He's going to do it right now.
Oh, boy.
I'm going to do it right now.
Oh, lucky David.
Dave whining? No.
Not me. I never whine. I never mind.
Oh, that'll be sweet, Gail. Gail is getting new chicks soon. Yay. And the sweet, yes. Okay, so here we go. Where did I put your little comb? Okay, so you're gonna have to like move up a little bit closer here.
What in the heck is God? What? You only have a reach about this. I can't reach any further. What the heck's wrong with you?
What the heck is wrong with you? You're so silly.
I'm silly.
Did you lean up a little bit more? You have to go with first. Why are you jumping?
Well, you know, it's not like plowing the field. God,
So much different.
what's different?
I said it's not much different.
The
What-
heck it is. You
So what do
just
you
dig
think?
that in there and
We're gonna dig it.
like, yeah, okay, now that we have furrows in there, I can plant corn.
I don't want to plant corn on your face, honey. Just want to color. So what do you think? Should we do? We got purple.
Purple, yellow, and green.
Purple, yellow, and green. I don't think I have yellow. Isn't it? The black t-shirt with the logo is absolutely beautiful. And I can't wait for us to wear them out in public together. We could go on a date.
With,
Dave doesn't know about that yet, Vineyard Chick, so that's why I'm not telling him.
That's
Come here
okay.
a little
Dave
bit
didn't
closer.
know he was getting married either.
I didn't.
The day of.
I didn't read the fine print, Meemaw.
You didn't know you were getting me in the mix.
Yeah.
Can you stop pulling away, please? So should we do your beard one color and your mustache another color? Giving me that dirty look is not going to change the fact that you promised these lovely girls that you would color your beard.
You know, you do go to sleep at night, and I don't.
You promised.
I know.
You promised that you would do this happily with a smile.
That's the best smile you're getting.
So should we do two colors on the beard? Am I doing it too hard? Am I hurting you, honey?
I don't want to eat it. I want.
You got hair up there.
Well, imagine that.
So do you want more colors? Everybody wants more colors. Are you going to let me do more colors, or do you just want purple?
Whatever.
Let's do more colors.
Oh, God. Well, this is one and only time. I'll tell you that.
Come on, it was your idea. Oh, I don't even know if I have them anymore.
No.
Oh, here they are.
She's not very organized. What are you doing?
I'm getting the colors.
Well, jeez. How many colors you got?
I got a whole bunch of colors, but I'm only going to use the boy colors.
Whatever.
Purple and blue
Purple and blue?
and green.
That's not boys' colors.
That's sexist, Lorrie.
That's what?
Sexist.
Look who's here to watch.
Oh, I'm sorry. We didn't mean to come in early.
Oh, there's the munchkin over in the corner.
There she is.
Munchkin? Sorry, we didn't mean to come in early. We were
Oh,
trying-
no, you're welcome. Even if I haven't announced it yet, it's great that you get to watch him get his face colored.
My face?
Well, your beard. Your beard is on your face, isn't it? So can you open this other one while I'm coloring your face?
Ooh. Can I color your face? No. Give me more.
Are you going to bandage yourself?
No, honey. Okay, here, you take this and you open this one while I color the other half of your beard. Talk to the chicks, Mom.
I'm watching you.
Can you
What the heck's your problem?
concentrate?
Gosh. My,
Okay.
there,
Okay, that's gonna go on your mustache.
little short arms. I can only reach this far.
Yeah, there you go. Jut your chin out.
Yeah.
Poke it out like that. Look mad. Say something. You can talk while I do this.
Is this still
No.
working?
You're gonna get it in his mouth.
I'm gonna have to get a picture of this too.
Can you guys hear us?
Barely.
Just
Okay,
not
barely.
very well.
All right. What about now?
Yes.
All right.
Much better.
Probably better because you're right there.
I gotta get it higher. Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Don't mind me just breaking all the tray stuff.
And now, one more color
Green.
for your mustache.
David is an old man now. Does he have hair?
Their
in-
favorite colors, the girls, the Vineyard chicks, their favorite colors are purple and blue and green. So this way you'll never forget.
Lorrie?
Yeah.
Lorrie?
Yeah.
Yes, Mother.
Does David have hair growing out of his ears yet?
He trims that. He trims that
What
himself.
the heck's wrong with you, Nemo? Do you have a hair growing up your ears?
Tell her that.
Okay.
You go check your mom. See, she's got hair growing out her ears.
Okay. So I can get your stash. Oops.
And I see why you're not a nurse. God.
Hey, Tori. I might have to give it 2 coats of the green.
Oh wait, what if the green screen kicks in on his mustache?
Oh, it probably will. He'll be able to see through his head.
Do what?
He'll be able to see through his head.
No, it's
Well, the purple needs to be a little bit darker, though, doesn't it?
Right.
a train wreck.
You look great. It's a cool train wreck though, so at least you got that. I think the green is kind of green screening a little.
Okay. Is that better? Oh, yeah, that's better. That's darker.
It's kind of working. You can see it's good. It's good.
Okay, let's take a lovely picture.
David, where do you have to go
Can you
tomorrow?
smile?
I'm smiling. Can you see?
No, I can't see it all under all of the dye. His nose there.
There you go. So he is a man of his word.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The nose hair is yellow.
Who's saying that?
Tony.
Tony.
I didn't have yellow. But no yellow. Dave smiles with his eyes, absolutely.
Yep.
The eyes say it all.
Yeah.
You gotta look for it.
Yeah. Can you believe that he actually did it?
I was not expecting that. I was.
You didn't think I'd do it?
I knew you'd do it.
I believed him. I wasn't sure it was gonna actually work. I believed in him. I knew
I
he was gonna do
I
it.
might have gotten a little bit inside his mouth. And I'm
Oh,
pretty sure
what
I
did
got some inside his nose. So,
Does it?
Also missing a tooth now.
and I have a picture to share with the world.
Yay! Everyone's gonna see it.
Everyone's gonna see
It looks
it.
so
All
nice.
right, it's just for you girls. You got to remember that.
Oh, we'll never ever forgetting this. Ever.
Yeah, he would never do this for anybody else. I tell you
No.
what.